Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll guide you how to turn on mobile data on your Android phone quickly and easily. First, go to the home screen. Then, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick settings panel. On some phones, you may need to swipe down twice to see all available options. In the quick settings menu, look for the mobile data icon. It usually looks like two arrows or may simply say mobile data or data. If the icon is gray, that means mobile data is turned off. Now, tap on the icon once to turn it on. When it becomes highlighted or changes color, mobile data is now active and you can start browsing the internet using your cellular network. If you don't see the option, tap the edit icon, usually a pencil, to add it to your quick settings panel. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy Android tutorials.